Hello and welcome back to UFOs and US Government, the series where we explore the fascinating and mysterious videos released by the Pentagon that show unidentified aerial phenomena. In this episode, we will discuss some of the challenges and limitations that researchers face when studying these videos and their objects. As you may recall from the previous episodes, these videos were captured by Navy pilots using advanced infrared cameras mounted on their fighter jets. These cameras are designed to track and target enemy aircraft, not to identify unknown objects. Therefore, they have some limitations that affect the quality and reliability of the videos. One of these limitations is the camera angle. The videos show the objects from the perspective of the pilots, who are often flying at high speeds and altitudes, and sometimes changing direction or altitude. This means that the apparent motion and shape of the objects may be distorted by the camera angle, and not reflect their true motion and shape. Another limitation is the zoom level. The videos show the objects at different zoom levels, which affect the resolution and detail of the images. For example, in the gimbal video, the object appears to rotate, but this may be an artifact of the camera zooming in and out. In the Go Fast video, the object appears to fly very fast and low, but this may be an illusion caused by the camera zooming out. A third limitation is the infrared sensor. The videos show the objects in infrared mode, which detects heat signatures, not visible light. This means that the color and brightness of the objects may not correspond to their actual appearance. For example, in the Tic Tac video, the object appears white, but this may be because it is hotter than its surroundings, not because it is white. A fourth limitation is the radar data. The videos are accompanied by radar data that show the position, speed, and altitude of the objects. However, these data are not always consistent or reliable. For example, in the Tic Tac video, the radar data show that the object dropped from 28,000 feet to sea level in less than a second, which is impossible for any known aircraft. However, this may be a glitch or an error in the radar system, not a real phenomenon. A fifth limitation is human error. The videos are based on human observations and interpretations, which are prone to mistakes and biases. For example, the pilots may have misjudged the distance, size, or shape of the objects, or they may have been influenced by their expectations or emotions. The analysts who reviewed the videos may have also made errors or assumptions that affected their conclusions. These limitations and challenges make it difficult to study these videos and their objects with scientific rigor and accuracy. They also make it easy for critics and skeptics to dismiss or debunk them as hoaxes, glitches, or misidentifications. Some of these critics include scientists who argue that there is no credible evidence for extraterrestrial life or visitation, journalists who question the sources and motives behind these videos, and debunkers who offer alternative explanations for these videos based on conventional phenomena or technology. However, these criticisms do not mean that these videos are worthless or irrelevant. They simply mean that we need more research, evidence, and transparency on this topic. We need more data from different sources and sensors, such as optical cameras, satellites, or drones. We need more analysis from independent experts and institutions, such as universities or laboratories. We need more disclosure from government agencies and officials, such as Congress or the Pentagon. Only then can we hope to answer some of the most intriguing questions that these videos raise. What are these objects? Where do they come from? How do they fly? What do they want? And what do they mean for us? Thank you for watching this episode of UFOs and US Government. In the next and final episode, we will wrap up this series with a conclusion that summarizes what we have learned so far and what we can expect in the future. Stay tuned.